Made it to Front Row Car Show, Pasadena. It is November 22nd or 23rd, I don't even know, but it's Saturday. There's a bit of traffic, so I only got like 45 minutes to do some buying and trading. The market's kind of weird right now. Everything's up, so we gotta be careful with what we buy. I'm interested in the Magikarp, the Blastoise, the 151 Blastoise, the Japanese Bubble Mew, and the shiny Umbreon GX. Is that Lugia a 10? Oh, it's a 9? Okay. All good. Yeah, basically that stuff. I know the market for Mew and Blastoise. I think I know. I'm not sure. I'll tell you right now. Let me check the Umbreon real quick. Comps are all over the place, but I usually value it around 200, but let me see. Yeah, there's buy nows at 220, so I'd say around 200. For what? For the Umbreon. What do you value it? 200? So I had the Umbreon at 200. What do you have the Bubble Mew at? Around 160, 170 for Bubble Mew market. What do you have market on that?
170 is fine.
Market, Bubble Mew, Blastoise, and the Magikarp. First pickup at Front Row. What was your name again?
Keep the case, too.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yosio.
Magikarp, Blastoise, Bubble Mew, and Umbreon for 520. First deal, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. What's up, man? How you doing? I've seen your videos.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, sir. Pocket Pals, right?
That coin flip was belly ball, though, which I don't think you'd want to do.
Hey, I'm down. I'll do a deal with you, and it'll be fair.
I'll give you like $750.
You take PayPal, right? Okay. What do I want? Gardevoir, Sylveon, Glaceon, these two Pikachus. And, oh, this is cool. I like this. Garchomp, Giratina. Okay, Pikachu, I got like 290, 280, 270 on Master Balls. Market. Let's market value, I'd probably say like 270 to 280. There's like 260 sales. 275 market. So 550 market for the two Pikachus, Master Balls. Glaceon, I wrote down a lot of these cards. Glaceon I had valued at Japanese Glaceon at 350. This I'm at 350 market.
This is higher than 430.
This has like comps as high as 5 and as low as like 3 something. It's like all over the place, right? Are you cool with the 350 comp valuation?
I'll be checking.
If you're cool with that, would be at 900 market. Japanese Glaceon, Rainbow Charizard, VMAX. So I'm at 550 plus 350, 900.
350 is fine for that.
Cool. Plus 290 for Rainbow Zard.
Yeah.
So we're at 1190. 450 for Gardevoir Sylveon. That's 1640.
Yep.
This you said
260.
260. I'll trust you on that. 1900. Anything else? That's basically it. At 1900, right?
Yeah.
85% 1600, 90% is 1700. You want to flip 16 or 17? We don't have to flip. We can, if you want, I can just pay you 1650.
What's a 19? Right?
Yeah.
Like I said, if you want to be at 90.
90?
Yeah. 17 and 17.
1650, 17?
1650, 1750. You gotta give me some meat on the bone.
Let me see your coin. Yeah. So belly up or belly down?
Yeah, and you can flip and call, so I have no advantage.
I feel like it's unfair to you if I do this.
1650, 1750?
All right, sure. Can I see the cards? We got Rainbow Zard, we got 2 Master Ball Pikachus, beautiful Moltres with a swirl, Japanese Glaceon VMAX, Gardevoir Sylveon, and this Garchomp Giratina Tag Team Altar. Market was 2K, we're flipping 1750 or 1850, right?
You flip your call.
We're using this.
Belly ball flip. Talk about
How do I throw it? Do I just throw it or do I roll it?
Roll it, throw it. Take that, flip and reverse it.
Okay, I'm just gonna call Belly, because his name is Belly Bull.
It's gonna be belly up or belly down.
Oh, belly up.
All right.
Ready?
Let's go.
Golden Bulls! Are these yours or are you guys split?
Blue tags are mine, white tags are his.
Some of the
Whose is this? The Bubble Mew.
Mine.
Okay, I want Bubble Mew and this Groudon. This tag team. What do you value this Tyranitar tag team? 330. What do you value this at?
200.
And this, what do you value it at?
650.
Value?
Yeah, I'm kind of firm on that.
so it's like 13.
Sales are like 550 to 6.
That would be more.
I know, but I know someone will buy it.
At 650?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. I've had 3, and I sold them all for 6.
Today?
Not today. Like
Market,
last week.
because market went down from last week. That's the thing.
Yeah, it's like 6 now. But I'll see how long I could last.
Venusaur?
250.
Okay. You take PayPal, right?
Zelle, cash, Venmo, preferably cash.
I can do Cash App if you want.
I don't got cash app, bro. Sorry.
Let me
Zelle or
think.
Venmo.
Value 250 on Venusaur. I think this might be less than 270. Let me check. What if I gave you an Umbreon?
Question, what about it?
This guy?
English or Japanese? I have both.
What percentage?
Like the box.
I do want the Bubble Mew, but like, it's got to be fair value.
I'll value this at 600.
Yeah, you can get like the body os and SAR
That's the Groudon.
from certain cards.
What do you want to be at? Market. You said this. How much on this?
200.
It's going up. 150.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I was surprised to see the prices because I got 2 boxes for 160.
For Japanese.
These are the last couple of sales.
Damn, it went down. You mean 175 in the middle? 150, 200, 175?
No, that's what you me out because
Maybe.
I bought this at,
Japanese is weird right now.
yeah, I bought this at 105, graded it, came back at 10. So,
You bought it raw?
well, I bought it at 9 and I cracked it.
Oh. A lot of those are misgrades, yeah. Okay, so if I took
He probably got it.
Venusaur at 250 value,
yeah, because you said
Groudon, can you be at, if I take this at 175, can you do 240 value on this? Last one was like 190. Right before that was 270 and 250 and 240. You said 250, I'm
And
just
then
going
what
down.
percentage do you want to be at the end?
Like 85.
85?
I can do Zelle. I'll do Zelle because I haven't hit my limit yet today.
245? Just $5.
Sure. 250 plus 245 plus
175.
what's 175? We're at 670. I think that's. You don't have any other slabs, right? That's it.
Yeah, that's it right now. And I got like cheap shit.
If I take the Mew, what's your bottom on it?
I value it at, so I bought it at 530.
You paid 530 for it?
Yeah. I pay high usually.
Yeah.
So
That was probably when market was like 700 or something, or like
I bought it
650.
last week
Yeah.
for the
It
show.
was a little bit higher.
You're gonna trade a Umbreon? That means I would have to pay you cash on top of
Oh yeah. Because we're only at 670.
that. Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. Depends what you take. If they take the Moonbrown at full value, then sure. That thing's liquid as hell.
I've been struggling to sell this.
What are you asking on yours?
19?
Well, market's 1850.
$50 tax and then
Well, no. What's your like cash price value on it?
I can go down to like 18, 17, 50.
I got mine for like 16. But
I got mine for 15.
okay, I'll just make you a straight offer, Zelle, on the Venusaur, Groudon, the Solgaleo, Lunala. How do we get to 670? Was it just these three?
Yeah, those 3.
Okay, 670 on these three. Mew, I'm at 580.
580?
Market's 1250 here.
Oh,
True.
with
Yeah.
this guy?
85% would be 1,062. You want to flip?
Not
Or
really.
You just want straight.
I've lost.
I
all
lose
my-
80% of the time. We don't have to flip. I don't care.
For this guy, I want to make at least some money or break even. I want to make some money or break even. So if you can make me.
Okay, what if I
550 for this guy.
what if I bring this up to 1,100?
11.
Yeah, so up 40 bucks
So
to cover your Mew.
we were at.
I'd put 250, 245, and 175 value, and and market was 580 on this. I added true market on all 4 of these, and I did 85%. 85% was 1,060, and I just added 40 bucks for you to cover the Mew. If you want, we can flip 1050, 1150 with the middle point at 11, or I can just pay you straight 1,100 Zelle right now.
Sure, 11.
1,100 flat. Sweet. Can I see the cards real quick?
You mind if I keep the guards?
Can I just keep? You can keep the slab mat. Can I keep the graded guards? Is that okay?
I paid for these.
Give me one of the guards.
You keep this
That's
green
fair.
one.
You keep the slab mags. Thank you, bro. How much you pay for the slab mag?
25.
Got the Bubble Mew English, Solgaleo Lunala, Groudon, and Venusaur for 1,100
I'm
flat.
recording, bro. You mind if I record?
Sure. What do you offer this tag team?
Which one?
The Jigglypuff.
I have that guy at
These are sales. 160, 230, and 170.
200. Oh wait, are you talking about this guy?
No,
or
this
guy?
this is like 160 to 200.
Can you see full comps on that?
Yeah, it ranges from 160 to 220. I'll give you 200 value if you give me 300 value on this. 500 value, I'll pay you. I'll pay you 440 for these two.
I think these two. I'm gonna hold off on. Yeah.
What do you want for these two?
I have someone offering me 280 for this.
Okay, and this one?
This one I can try to work with you. Yeah. Let me just check max. So
Peak's like 220. Ranges from 160 to 220. Give me the pair at 450. Happy? Market's 500.
no, I just value this at 200.
And you value this at 320, right?
330.
330. So 530.
Yeah.
What do you want for the pair? I offered you 440 and then I offered you 450. We agreed to 11 here already.
Give me a 5. Value.
Value?
Yeah.
Well, what? That would be 450 at 90%,
Oh, I thought
right?
you meant you were valuing it at
No, I said
450.
I'll pay you 450 bucks.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm fine.
That's cool. All right. So 1100 plus 450. Guys, you can take the guards off those. So 11 plus 450 is 1550. All right,
Or
we got.
did you want to do that move around trade?
How much cash you want to put on top?
What's the value on that total right now?
50. Or I'll tell you right now. We got a Jigglypuff, Mega Sableye, a Mew, Tag Team Solgaleo Lunala, Groudon, and Venusaur. I mean, I said I'll pay you 1550. So
15.
if I wanted to do that deal, I'd probably want like, you want English or Japanese? I have both. Japanese is 18, English is 50 bucks more. If you want my English, how much cash would you throw on top?
Because you're already taking this at 85%.
Yeah.
You know, and I kind of just want to do it straight through.
I'd want like a couple $100 on top if I want to give you kitty.
Do you have anything else? So the move around?
I have two Japanese Moonbrand and I brought a base set Venusaur 9. It's like $300. You don't want that. You want the Moonbrand with 200 bucks on cash my way? I can do that if you want. Honestly, I think Umbreon might keep going up. That's why I only brought a couple. I have like 15 in my office.
He's plateauing right now, bro. He doesn't want to.
Yeah, but the thing is,
yeah,
the hype is crazy.
yeah.
Latios is 30 grand.
Sell it before Christmas, so I think I'll just take cash, bro.
Okay. What's your?
1550?
Yeah, 1550 for the cards.
Alright, guys, we're giving away Mega Lopunny and Jigglypuff, PSA 10, Tyranitar Sableye, PSA 10, Bubble Mew, Japanese Solgaleo Lunala 10, Japanese Primal Groudon 10, and Venusaur SIR PSA 10 for 1550.
I got you, brother.
Sounds good, dog.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you.